Hello, dear Leos. How are you guys doing? So this is a journal. This is Anjali Tarot, by the way, and this is a journal love reading till 15th of Feb 2021. So let's quickly tap into your and your partner's energy and see what is happening with you guys. Okay. So your partner's energy right now is the Queen of Wands energy. So your partner right now is very passionate. They are maybe doing some stuff of their own. They are starting a new business, or they are basically they are working on themselves. They are very passionate about something and they are doing that only, or maybe they are very passionate about a particular relationship or a person or something like that. For right now they are focused on themselves, Leo. What I can feel is, okay, your energy is a Page of Wands. You are also starting a new starting a new passionate phase in your life. Leos, you are starting a new phase. Your partner is already in that phase of making themselves something in their life. They are passionate about something and they are doing that in their life. On the other hand, you are also passionate about something, but you are on the starting phase right now. Okay, in this particular, you can also say about this particular relationship as well, but right now what I can say is both of you are having the same energy of passion, or energy, and lots of physical energy, or maybe you are physically attracted to somebody, or you both are physically attracted to somebody, but the love right now is not here. Okay, so how they see you, your partner. Okay, so Leo, how your partner sees you. Yeah, so how your partner sees you, the Nine of Pentacles energy. Your partner is seeing you like you are a very self-independent. You are an independent person, or woman, or male or female, it doesn't matter. The gender doesn't matter. So right now your partner, or your person on the person on your mind, sees you like the Queen of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles energy. So they feel like you are very independent, you are very beautiful, you have all the luxurious and beautiful things with you, and you are self-dependent. There is nobody on earth that can stop you, and you are self-made person. So they respect you a lot right now. They are respecting you a lot right now, your partner or the person on your mind. Okay, and on the other hand, how you see your partner. You see your partner as the Hanged Man. You see your partner as that they are stuck somewhere, or maybe they are not talking to you, or maybe they are not responding well to this particular relationship, or they are stuck somewhere, or they are kind of changing their perspective, or they are changing from inside. So you are feeling, Leo, you are feeling like your partner is not on the same page as you are, or as you were with them. So right now they are kind of stuck somewhere, and they are not making any kind of movement. Okay, what your partner feels about this particular relationship, the Tower. So your partner feels like this relationship is not working out, or this relationship was weak, or might be this relationship was on the verge of breaking from so long, and finally the moment has came that they realized that this is not working out, and the Tower moment came, the breakup thing happened, or there's no communication, or the weak foundations broke up. Okay, this is the kind of energy from their side they are feeling for this relationship, or for you. Ace of Wands energy. On the other hand, what you are feeling about this relationship, Ace of Wands energy. You want a new beginning. You want a new start. You want a new passionate, energetic start with this person, or maybe something new, or maybe you have already started this Ace of Wands energy with somebody. So you are very passionate, Leos. There's no doubt in that. So you are starting this. You want a new start with. You are feeling like starting a new phase with this particular person, starting a new passionate phase with this particular person on your mind. Okay, right now, and what they want from this relationship, the Devil energy is there. So they want to break the chains. Maybe there's a third party situation, so they want to break the chain. They want to break the negativity, break the toxicity, and maybe they feel like they are so much dependent on you, or you are so much dependent on them. So they want to break the chain. They basically want to come out of this negative and toxic energy right now. Okay, and what you want from this relationship, Justice card. So you are feeling like there is injustice happening in your life with this particular relationship, or with this particular person. You want justice. You want the universe to serve the justice, or maybe you are getting the justice right now in the near future. So right now what I can feel is you want justice from this relationship. You want equal give and take, and you don't want this person to, you know, constantly poking their nose in your business or vice versa. So right now you are seeking justice from the universe, and I think you will get it soon. Okay, Leos. And the energy and the outcome from their side is the Fool energy. So right now they are on their self journey. They are on their they want to take the leap of faith that yes, things will work out eventually, and that yes, this relationship is going to work out eventually. But right now they are on the self journey. What I can feel is they are right now on the self journey, self healing. They are working on themselves. They are working on their own projects, own work, and they are maybe stuck somewhere in the third party situation as well, Leo. So you have to check it out for them or yourself. So right now they are the Fool energy is telling me that they are taking the leap of faith. They are working on themselves. They are on self journey, self healing journey, or they are going through a kind of spiritual awakening thing. Till the 15th of Feb. And from the energy from the outcome from your side, this is the Ace of Cups. So you want love again. You want that love again that you felt for this person previously. Maybe you want a new start. There are two aces in your reading, Ace of Wands and Ace of Cups. So you want a new passionate start, or you want a new passionate relationship with this particular person. And I think what I can feel is you are feeling this Ace of Cups energy. You are feeling overly emotional. You are feeling loved. You are feeling like you are getting the attention finally, or getting the love finally. But I don't feel like this is the same person giving you that love. Okay, yeah, because this person is right now not in the mood of commitment or happiness or love or something like that. This person right now is focused on themselves. On the other hand, you want two new starts. You want passionate and energetic and lovely start with this person, and what I can feel is you will get the love, get the attention to some extent. Okay, this is the energy. Okay, so what the universe is telling me for you is the Hermit energy. So what I can feel, Leos, is work on yourself, work from inside out, and you have to be a little, you have to go inside of you and see what is working for you. If it is not working for you, just leave it. If it is working for you, then work on it. This is the thing. The Hermit energy is telling me just work on yourself, work within yourself, and then come out. Okay, and engagement. So what I can feel is for some of you there's some new love coming in, new passionate start coming in. Yes, I can definitely feel like there's somebody new coming to you. You are feeling loved. You are feeling like yes, love is coming to my life finally. But I don't think that is the same person whom you are thinking about. So the universe is telling me this is engagement ring is coming to you, commitment is coming to you, finally love is coming to you. Only you have to open your eyes and let this person come to you. So this is engagement, partnership, commitment, eternity, completion, union. Lots of beautiful things are coming to you only if you allow it to. Okay, so what I can feel is this is not the same person. There's some new person, there is some new love, there is some new passion coming in your life, and you just have to grab it, Leos. Okay, so Leos, this is all for you guys till 15th of Feb in love reading, and I hope it will help you guys to gain some mental clarity about your particular relationship with somebody. Okay, so thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.